Here's a Goodman. Right here is a Goodman. 2013. This one's a 2013 Goodman. It has a sound blanket. Goodman? Okay, let's see what ton is it. It's a 4-ton. It's a 14 seer. It's a 14 seer. It's a Copeland scroll compressor. Yep. March up Joe 13. Right? Let's see. I think it's a Schrakel unit. Maybe that's a Schrakel. Yeah, that's a Schrakel. Copeland scroll compressor. That's good. Alright. It has a Broad Ocean motor. Yep, it's a 1.6 horsepower. It's an R4 today. Okay, the model number is SXX140421CB. Serial number is 13033000662. It's a Copeland scroll compressor. Yep. It has 4 blades. Alright. Pretty cool Goodman. Yep. It's off. Not running.